Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock 2 Radeon RX 7650 GRE cards OC Plus with 2810 MHz boost. So friends, the ASRock RX 7650 GRE, it's available in China. So friend, this card features the same core count and nearly identical specification. It means to be the stopgap between the 7600 XT and non-XT variant, although it might not has been needed. And ASRock is introducing an OC Plus version today which has higher clock, and based on what we can learn from images, it based on the RX 7600 XT design, and both are part of the same series called Challenger, and both are dual slot and dual fan. But there is a change in terms of power connector design. The OC Plus model feature two 8-pin power connector seeming required for higher specification, and the OC Plus has game and boost clock speed of 2539 MHz and 2800 MHz respectively, whereas the OC model has clock speed of 2400 MHz and 2725 MHz, and both model comes with 8 GB of memory and have the same power supply requirement of 600 watt. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.